Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for July 19th, 2017. It is a humid morning out there with temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to lower 80s already this morning, and dew points aren't much better in the lower 70s, even lower to mid 70s over southern New Jersey. So clearly we are dealing with a humid air mass in place, and temperatures unfortunately are going to be rising up into the upper 80s to lower 90s, so it's going to feel a lot warmer, more like the mid to upper 90s, especially in the New York City metro and Philadelphia metro. On the radar, we're pretty much high and dry right now. Keyword there, right now. There will be some isolated thunderstorms developing throughout the region, and the reason why is because we're going to have a couple of weak troughs, and you can barely see it. There's a very weak upper level low sitting right over Virginia and North Carolina that's going to be opening up into a trough, and basically it's going to support the development of isolated thunderstorms, possibly severe. Your best potential is going to be over the interior, but watch out along the coast as well. And these thunderstorms are going to be moving slowly, so there will be that potential for some localized flash flooding. Let's dive into this forecast for today. Hazy, hot, humid, isolated thunderstorm possible. Look for highs in the lower to mid 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. It will feel more like the mid to upper 90s. This evening on through tomorrow morning, isolated showers are possible. Otherwise, look for areas of fog. A cold front will approach the region. Won't really do much as far as temperatures or really humidity at all. It'll pretty much collapse over the area and stall out, leading to the threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms once again tomorrow afternoon. Look for low temperatures tomorrow in the lower to mid 70s, high temperatures in the mid 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s along the immediate coast, and lower to mid 90s in your urban areas. For Friday, that stationary front will linger over the region. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but pretty much just scattered cloud cover is expected. Look for winds to veer to the northwest and humidity to fall off just a bit. Low temperatures in the morning in the mid to upper 70s, high temperatures in the mid 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s for the rest of the region. On Saturday, a stationary front lingers over the region with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not a complete washout, but certainly keep an eye to the sky with those thunderstorms lingering over the region. Lows will be in the lower 70s. High temperatures will vary quite a bit depending on where this frontal boundary sets up. To the north of the frontal boundary, look for highs in the lower to mid 80s. To the south of that frontal boundary, upper 80s to lower 90s. Now, this reminds me a lot like the end of last week and last weekend, where there were some forecasts, especially in Philadelphia, that were about 10 degrees off because this frontal boundary remained further south than what was forecasted. Looks like just about the same type of scenario once again. There's a question as to whether or not this front actually rebounds or not. If not, it will be significantly cooler. So on Sunday, to basically look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Look for high temperatures to the north of this frontal boundary in the upper 70s to lower 80s. To the south of the frontal boundary, mid to upper 80s with scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout. And again, there's a chance this frontal boundary could be much further south, let's say around southern New Jersey, which means that everyone's in the upper 70s to lower 80s rather than the mid to upper 80s. Something to keep an eye on, certainly. On Monday, the cold front moves through the region with additional scattered showers and thunderstorms. Cooler though, look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the region. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, Canadian high pressure will be in place with scattered cloud cover to clear skies, very low humidity. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s on Long Island and also the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s for the rest of the region. So the middle of next week looks like a very comfortable period of weather, but we're going to have to get through some hot and humid weather conditions before we get to that point. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.